basic differentiation, which comprises of power rule and constant rule. We have differentiation, exponential differentiation, exponential differentiation. Then we have differentiation of trigonometric function, differentiation of trigonometric function. These are examples of basic differentiation. We solve the examples and I will show you how to solve differentiation. Let's take number 1. It says y is equals to 5x cubed plus 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. Remember, y is also the same as f of x, in case when we are solving and I'm using it interchangeably so that you will not be confused. So now, differentiation involves multiplying using this 5 to multiply 3, then minus it 1. Let's go. When you multiply 5 multiplied by 3 will give you 15. Then you minus it, subtract 1 from 3, you have 2. Plus, when you multiply this, it will also give you 8. Subtract 1, you have x. And when you multiply it, there is 1. Note that you will not see the invisible 1 in this coefficient. So when you multiply it, you have 8. And when you subtract 1 from the invisible 1 here, it will give you 0. And anything raised to power 0 is 1. So that is why we are having 8 here. So this is the answer for number 1. Then number 2, we have f of x, which I said is the same thing as y, is equals to 2x raised to power 4 minus 6x plus 1. So multiply 2 by 4, you have 8. Subtract 1, you have x raised to power 3 minus 6 multiplied by invisible 1 here, you have 6. So when you subtract 1, it will give you 0, and anything raised to power 0 is 1. So our answer is 8 raised to power 3 minus 6. So number 3, question 3, we have y is equals to 3x raised to power 2 plus 4 all over x minus 2. Here you have to be good with your indices. I will make a video on it. So we have that. First of all, change this to indices. We have 3x2 plus 4. When x comes up, it will be minus 1 minus 2. So I multiply 3. You can say dy dx so is equals to 3 multiplied by 2 will give you 6. Subtract 1, you have 1. So 4 multiplied by minus 1, you will have minus 4. And when you minus 1, you subtract another minus 1, you have minus 2, right? And constant, I forgot to tell you, constant is 0 in differentiation. Remember, f prime of x is also the same thing as dy dx, right? So this is answer for question 3. Then question 4, we have that y is equals to 2x plus 1, then x minus 3. Here you will open the brackets by multiplying using number here to multiply this one. So when you multiply, you have that 2x squared minus 6x. So using this one to multiply, you still have minus x minus 3, right? Then you add it, 2x minus x plus minus 6x plus minus s, you have when 1 minus x, it will give you plus x, and when 1 multiply by 3, it will give you minus 3. So add it, minus 6x plus x will give you minus 5x minus 3, right? So you differentiate it, dy dx will give you, multiply it, 2 multiplied by the power of x, you have 4, subtract 1, you are left with x, then 5 multiplied by invisible 1, you have 5, and 5, there is invisible 1, when you minus it with 1, it will give you 0, and anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this is the answer for question 4. So let's attempt question 5. It says f of x equals to 2 square root of x minus 5 all over x squared, right? So we have that this involves indices 2 x 2 minus 5. When x comes up, it will become minus 2. So when you multiply 2, so when you multiply 2 with half, you have that 2 all over 2 x, right? And when you subtract 1 from half, what will you have? We have half, right? Yeah, we have minus half. And when minus 5 multiplied by minus 2, we have plus 10. Then minus 5 minus 2 minus 1 will give you minus 3. So this one will cancel this one. You are left with minus 1 x 2 plus 10 x 3. So this is for